gardencoach.com. Ken Salvail here today, and we're just looking at some of our vegetables in our garden space here. And we just had a fabulous crop of romaine lettuce this year. It's just unbelievable. These are the two that are left, the last two I guess, that we had from this particular group. This was our earliest crop, but we've been picking one of these every day for about, I don't know, about 20 days now. Just unbelievable romaine. It's the most beautiful lettuce we've ever grown for sure. Crunchy and sweet and just so good. Makes the best Caesar salad. And we cut some of these off. You can see here where we just chopped them off and we're just letting them grow back, and just to see sort of if we can get a secondary crop. The one thing that I know we have to do yet on this is we have to go in and just remove the leaves that are laying on the soil surface, because those leaves are going to go rotten a bit. They're going to get botrytis on them, and potentially lots of little insects and things are going to get in there, and we don't really want that. So we want to keep the soil surface a bit tidy if at all possible. So we'll be doing that next. And also we have a bunch more. We ran I think 3 crops of the romaine lettuce, and so they're all looking really great too. I guess it's just the weather conditions this year. I'm not really sure what it is, but man, they are beautiful this year. I also want to just point out the carrots here. We're just doing some thinning on them. We did a video earlier on how to seed carrots, and it was a really cool video, I think, and you should check it out if you haven't seen it yet. But really works. And now we're just going through and thinning them each time we go. So we have 2 methods of thinning. One of the methods is that we just go through it first and kind of give each plant a little bit more space to grow. And then what we do is, after say probably another 2 weeks or so, we'll actually start to go through and take out all the biggest carrots and start using them on a regular basis. So we save the small ones because they're still going to fill out, and they'll be great in the next few weeks. But we'll actually be able to start utilizing the little baby carrots, and they're going to be really, really good. So really looking forward to that. We actually did harvest some this time through our thinning process, and I'll show you what those look like. So these are some of the ones that we've harvested. Again, it's just thinning, but you know, we're not going to throw them away. We're going to use them. So they're beautiful little carrots, and they're so delicious and tasty. And what a cool plant. There's one here that's quite twisted. It's pretty cool looking. And loving the garden. That's what Wendy said. This little guy, pretty cool looking. And a couple other little veggies in there that we just have we're going to be bringing in. So nice kohlrabi. Boy, the kohlrabis are just incredible. You can see this guy. And I don't know if you ever grown kohlrabi, but it's quite nice. This is about as big as you ever let them go. It's about the size of a baseball. Even that might be a bit too big. But you peel them, and it's just like a beautiful sweet radish inside. Radish slash broccoli stem sort of taste. Really nice. So kohlrabi is a good one. All right, I guess that's all I can do, is my mouth is watering so much I can't talk anymore. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in to gardencoach.com.